ChatGPT managed to improve its grade from a D to an A on a college-level economics exam after the recent GPT-4 update. Bryan Caplan, an economics professor at George Mason University, tested ChatGPT on his midterm exam questions back in January. The result? Well, they were quite disappointing, with ChatGPT scoring a measly 31 out of 100, equivalent to a D grade. Caplan's questions were designed to assess the students' understanding of economics, not just their ability to memorize and regurgitate information. ChatGPT struggled with basic economic concepts and gave more politically inclined answers than economic ones. But guess what? When the GPT-4 update was released, Caplan decided to put ChatGPT to the test once more, and this time, it scored an impressive 73%, earning an A grade. The ChatGPT-4 update addressed key issues from the previous version, and it's estimated to be 40% more likely to return accurate responses. Even Caplan himself was shocked by the progress made in such a short time. Initially, Caplan thought that ChatGPT's training data might have picked up his previous blog post where he explained his answers. However, his colleagues dismissed this possibility. Caplan has since tested the AI with new questions, and it performed even better than before. Caplan, a known betting enthusiast, has previously wagered that an AI model wouldn't score an A on 6 out of 7 of his exams before 2029. He's now feeling less confident about winning that bet. However, he still believes AI won't lead to the end of the world before 2030, another bet he has with another AI researcher, Eliezer Yudkowsky. With ChatGPT's advancements, professors are now facing challenges in detecting plagiarism, as it can be difficult to prove with AI-generated material. Caplan himself is considering doing away with graded homework and hopes that frequently changing exam questions will prevent students from simply relying on ChatGPT's answers. The rapid improvement of AI language models like ChatGPT is changing the way we look at education and testing. Do you believe AI will continue to excel in various fields or pose potential problems? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting ChatGPT news and tutorials. Thanks for watching.